Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Apple Intelligence or the visual intelligence and Chat-GPT support in your older iPhones. So this is my iPhone 13 Pro. Let me show you in my about section of my phone that I'm using visual intelligence and Chat-GPT support in my iPhone 13. So you guys can see here this is the about section of my phone and it's iPhone 13 Pro which is running on iOS 18.2. So I'll show you how I'm using the visual intelligence and Chat-GPT. So I'm installing two apps and I'm using both apps to get this feature. So make sure you follow this trick. So first of all, what you have to do, just simply open the App Store, search for an app which is, of course, you must have been using this app before, like Google app, right? Official Google app. So make sure you install first of all a Google app, and now the second app is install Chat-GPT app, and I'll show you how I infuse both apps to to get the visual intelligence in your iPhones. So as you have got this application, right? So install this app. Now you will see that um, in the iPhone 16 we got um, visual intelligence port. How this works: pressing on this camera button, it will open camera. So I'll click photo with that, and iPhone will show me two options: ask and search. As you guys can see here, if I click on ask, it will search by using ChatGPT. If I click on search, it will use Google to search, right? So let's assume I'll use Google, and I'll use same thing in this phone. So how this works: in order to use Google in the visual intelligence, you just need to directly open the Google app, right? Just me, there you go. So as you install Google app, you will see the Google Lens option is here. Hit on this one, and now let me scan this one, and there you go. You guys can see here iPhone 11. So we are getting same search results, right? So I mean, there's nothing like wrong that if we are not getting the visual intelligence in the older phones, there's no worries. We can still have those features. Android phones do have these features a long ago. So if I search this using ChatGPT, clicking on ask, of course ChatGPT will give me search results. But what about these phones? So open ChatGPT, you have in the chat section you have this plus icon, click on take photo. So take your photo in the iPhone, go to next button here, upload on ChatGPT. I mean, it will already upload by its own. Click on this share icon or send button. It will give me same info. How cool is this? As these are the AI, so of course not exact same info, but of course ChatGPT is same. So you will get the exact same info from AI. How cool is this? You're getting the visual intelligence and ChatGPT support in iPhone. Peace, simple fix. I hope you guys, I'll see you later. Bye bye.